Okay, in this video we'll be looking at the support app. So to access the support app, you click on the home menu, then click on support. So before I explain what support is all about and the interface, so support helps in several departments supporting each other in their needs. Okay, in the case of this scenario, maybe human resource team, they need a help from the IT team based on a particular task. Instead of the staffs going to meet themselves, okay, the human resource team can create a support ticket, send it to the technical support team. So that technical support team will solve that task and send it back to the and send a feedback back to the human resource team. Same with other departments. So this is how it looks like. So let's click on one, technical support team. So if you click on the technical support team, these are the members of the technical support teams. You can come here to add more members to the technical support team, as the case may be. So let's look at the dashboard. Same thing with the support, then tickets, invoicing, reporting. So this is how support ticket looks like. So this is how the support ticket looks like. Currently there's 2 open tickets that has been sent that's supposed to be attended to. Then there's one urgent. So based on that, they're 2 closed already. Okay, let me click on that. These 2 has been attended to and they are closed. So this is how the support ticket looks like. So based on the issue you have, you can create a ticket, then send it to a particular department so that they can access. So customer rating. So currently there are no rating on tickets. So this customer rating is if a department has worked on a particular support ticket, based on their performance you can rate the ticket. Yes, which is very helpful, so that every ticket will be responded to appropriately. So this is basically the breakdown of the support ticket. So so try and go through this yourself. Play around it so you can understand it in depthly and better. So this is the tutorial for the support ticket.